Hello, everybody. Patty Lynch, independent consultant, is here to let you know that if you placed an order with anybody in the Believers Division from June 18th to July 16th with minimum $100, you went into the raffle for not just the barbecue tongs or the baster or the fork and the spatula, but you're also going to be in the raffle for the barbecue grill pan. Yes. So I am ready to raffle it off. I have all of your names on a spinning wheel that I'm going to share with you right now. So it has the names from Beth all the way down to Cindy West. So these are everybody in the Lynch Believers Division who submitted at least a minimum $100 of orders from June 18th through the July 16th. If you're on, let me know that you're here so I can let other people know. So we are going to pick a winner finally. All right, so back to our spinning wheel. I'm going to shuffle it up now. So if you're here, say hi and where you're from and who is your consultant. So I'm shuffling it all up so everybody's names are all messed up. And we're going to pick one lucky winner to win the barbecue grill pan and the tools. Are you ready? Here we go. Good luck. Do you feel lucky? Woohoo! Woohoo! Congratulations, Chandra. Woohoo! And going back to my spreadsheet where everybody is, Sandra is, Rhonda Wilson is the consultant for Chandra. Congratulations. Woo-woo! So congratulations, Rhonda Wilson, your customer actually won the barbecue set. Yay! So I will have to touch base with you, Rhonda, and find out what your customer's address is, and I will get that barbecue set and tools shipped out to them ASAP. So congratulations. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thank you.